Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. And before you say or think, I know long time no see, but I've been quite active on my Instagram, so if you miss me, you know where to look for me. Anyway, recently on my Instagram I did a poll where I asked you guys what you want to see next on my YouTube channel, and I gave you two options, not two, actually I gave you only one option, which was this Nykaa haul and something else. And at that time, like off the top of my head, I could only think of two videos that I can do easily, which was the one was Nykaa haul and another is this that I'm doing right now. So recently I started using colored contact lenses and I fell in love with them. I mean, I have created so many videos, I've taken so many pictures with them, and you can see it by looking at me right now. I've been getting a lot of queries and compliments about them, so I thought why not to share it with you guys. The lens that I'm talking about is these lenses. They are from Olens, and this is from the Russian Velvet collection, and these are of 14 mm diameter and 12.7 mm of graphic diameter, which is quite great. Like I wanted a contact lens that could look dramatic and natural at the same time. I mean, I just wanted it to be, you know, out there in my face. So I think they are perfect. So talking about the price, they retail for 1300 rupees each, and you can always get a discount if you are buying it from Nykaa and other stuff. I bought myself from Nykaa, and I'll be leaving all the links down below in the description if you want to check, and if you want to buy from that link, you can do that as well. I think they are a little, you know, on the pricier side, but I just loved how they look and I wanted to experiment a little, so that's why I got them. And if you look the other collection that they have, and by the way, they only come for 1 month. I mean, after using it for 1 month you have to dispose them, and I really wanted that they expand the duration. I mean, the Russian Velvet collection doesn't come for 6 months. However, they have some other lenses, so they come for 6 months, and you have to pay a price ranging from 2000 to 2500, and that's quite a smart deal. I mean, I'm not saying I'm dumb to buy these, but you know, I just loved how they look and it feels good, it feels comfortable. So let's talk about the packaging now. They come in this cute little cardboard boxes, and if you open them, you get two strip kind of thing wherein the lenses are stored, one for each eye. Here the lenses are stored, and you get a little bit of lens solution here, which you have to transfer later in the lens case. And however, bear in mind that you are not getting any kind of lens solution or tweezer or lens cases with it, so you have to buy all of them by yourself. And keep in mind that you buy that before ordering them, so that you don't have any inconvenience later. The ones that I have is this one. This is the Russian Velvet Grey, and this is blue. The blue ones is what I'm wearing right now, and shortly I'm gonna give you the demo of how they look in the natural light. However, I like the blue ones better because, you know, it looks quite natural. I mean, the grey one has a little bit of cool undertone to it, whereas the blue one has a little warmth in it. Worn on blank eyes, it won't look as good. That's what I think. That's why I, you know, cover it up a little with the makeup, so that, you know, my eyes look defined and not just some blank swollen thing. Now I'm gonna tell you briefly how to use them. And before buying your lenses, make sure that you have these three things: lens case, lens solution, and tweezers. And even if you don't have an actual lens tweezer, doesn't matter, because you can also use your eyebrow tweezer. By the way, make sure that your tweezer doesn't have a very sharp end, because your lenses are very delicate, and if you pick it up with a very pointy or sharp things like this, you might damage it. So after transferring your lenses in this lens cases, you can fill it up with the solution which is already given to you, or you can use your lens solution, whatever you like, and pick it up like this. And after that, you need to keep it on your hands, on the back of your hands for some time, so that the excess lens solution that it has, it gets removed. And you can also rub it like this over here to make sure it doesn't have a lot of lens solution before applying it. And I mean, just look at this, how cute this looks. This is so soft and delicate, and I'm not gonna show you how to use them, how to apply it, because even I don't know how to apply it myself. I take the help of my sister. So if you know, very good, and if you don't know, then you can always take some help from other. मतलब इस आँख में मेरा हो जाता है. I can easily put my lenses in this eye, but when it comes to this, I just lose it. So I have worn these lenses for 6 to 8 hours easily. It did not hurt or irritate my eyes. And also one very important thing is that you have to continuously keep changing your lens solution, because you know, especially when you are wearing some makeup, because whenever I remove my lens and put it back on the lens solution, I can see the makeup particle floating. I mean, you know, I can see some black particles floating. So that's why you need to keep changing the solution if you are using your lenses very frequently. And of course you're gonna use it frequently because they are only for 1 month. So in my opinion, I loved it, and I will definitely recommend it to you guys as well. If this falls under your budget, then this is a very nice thing. I mean, I was using contact lenses for the first time in my life. That's why I wanted it to be a real high quality stuff, and that's why I did not care much about the pricing. Otherwise, I would look for the other collection that they have for 6 months, and they're really comfortable, they're really nice, they don't feel like you're wearing something on your eyes. So what else to look for? But you know, I won't lie, when I was using these gray ones, it felt a little irritating sometimes. I mean, it felt like, you know, something is poking in my eyes and I had to remove it quickly. And I actually cannot make out whether it's the lens's fault or it was something wrong with my application technique. However, these blue ones are really nice, and as I told you already, if you want it to look a little natural, then go for the blue ones, and if you want to be a little extra, then the gray ones are nice. I will be purchasing more from Olens, and I think this time I'll look for the 6-month duration lenses, because you know, 1 month is passing very quickly and I have this burden of, you know, make the best out of these lenses at that short period of time. So I'll be going for the 6-month duration lenses the next time. So yes everybody, that's all for today's video, and I will be leaving all the links in the description down below, including the lenses, the lens case that I use, the lens solution that I use. So do not forget to check it out, and if you want, you can buy it from there. And don't worry, I'm not gonna get any profit out of it. Those are not affiliate links. And you know, if you like my video, then please give it a thumbs up. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We have already crossed 800 and it's soon gonna be 1000 subscribers over here. So I don't know what to say. Thank you.